Welcome back, Motor Madness. The 2025 Hyundai i20 is here, and it brings a fresh design, upgraded tech, and improved performance. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this hatchback a strong contender in its segment. Starting with the exterior, Hyundai has given the i20 a more refined and modern look. The front grille is now sleeker, featuring a sharper pattern that blends seamlessly with the redesigned LED headlights. These lights not only enhance visibility but also give the car a premium feel. The bumper has been reworked with a sportier touch, and the lower air intakes add to its aggressive stance. Moving to the side, the 16-inch or optional 17-inch alloy wheels have a stylish new design, complementing the car's aerodynamic shape. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, giving it a dynamic profile. At the back, the connected LED taillights provide a futuristic appearance, while the revised bumper and diffuser enhance the sporty character. Hyundai offers a variety of vibrant colors, including a dual-tone option with a blacked-out roof, making the i20 stand out even more. Step inside, and the cabin feels modern and well-built, with a significant focus on technology and comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalist, featuring a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a matching 10.25-inch infotainment system. The interface is smooth, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's BlueLink connected car features. The steering wheel has a sporty flat-bottom design, giving the driver a more engaging feel. The climate control panel is now touch-sensitive, adding to the high-tech experience. Hyundai has improved the seat cushioning, providing better support for long drives, and the use of soft-touch materials on the dashboard enhances the premium feel. Rear passengers get decent space, with improved legroom and dedicated air conditioning vents. Boot space remains practical, making the i20 a good option for city use and weekend getaways. Under the hood, Hyundai offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The base variant comes with a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine producing around 83 horsepower, paired with either a 5-speed manual or an i20 automatic transmission. For those looking for more excitement, there's a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine generating approximately 120 horsepower. This unit is mated to either a 6-speed IMT or a 7-speed DCT, delivering a punchy and responsive performance. Hyundai has fine-tuned the suspension for better stability and ride comfort, making the i20 a solid performer on highways and city streets alike. The steering is well-weighted, offering good feedback, and the car handles corners with confidence. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with the naturally aspirated engine delivering around 20 km/h and the turbo variant providing around 18 km/h, depending on driving conditions. When it comes to safety, Hyundai has packed the i20 with a host of advanced features. The car now comes with 6 airbags as standard, along with electronic stability control, hill assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Higher trims get additional features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, making it one of the safest hatchbacks in its category. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Hyundai i20 is expected to start at around $15,000 for the base variant, with the higher-end turbocharged models reaching up to $22,000, depending on optional features and trim levels. While it's slightly more expensive than some competitors, the premium design, technology, and performance justify the price tag. So, is the 2025 Hyundai i20 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed, and fun-to-drive hatchback with solid fuel efficiency and modern safety tech, this car is a great choice. What are your thoughts on the new i20? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews on Motor Madness.